channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start with your quantitative aptitude class, and that is your classes, your 199, where we had done 198 classes of the session. This is your arithmetical ability, where we have to continue with the 18th topic, that is your problems on train. We had done 17th topic in the last classes, where in that we had done your 10th question of the session, and today we start discussing about the 11th question of the session. So the 11th question, we have a train moves with a speed of 108 km per hour. Its speed is in meters per second is. The options were 10.8, 18, 30 and 38.8 here. So let's go for the same, but before starting with the same, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and everything you can also enjoy the video as well. So here we go. A train moves with speed of 108 km per hour. Its speed in meter per second. Yes, this is the question here. So let's go for the solution. So here we go. So although we have to find out, so the 108 km per hour equals to 108 into 5 by 18 meter per second. That will give 30 meter per second. Now we go for another question that has been another important one. The question is, a speed of 14 meters per second is the same as, the options were 28 km per hour, 46.6 km per hour, 50.4 km per hour and 70 km per hour. So here we go. A speed of 14 meters per second is the same as, so options were 28 km per hour, 46.6 km per hour, 50.4 km per hour and 70 km per hour. So here we go. (14 meter per second equals to 14 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour equals to 50.4 kilometer per hour. Now we go for another one, which is another important question. Question is, what time will a train 100-meter long cross an electric pole if its speed be on 144 km per hour? And that has been asked in SSC examination paper. So options were 2.5 second, 4.25 second, 5 second and 12.5 seconds. So let's go for it. In what time will a train 100 meters long cross an electric pole? If its speed b 144 kilometer per hour. So the options were 2.5 second, 4.25 second, 5 second and 12.5 seconds. So we'll go for this one. Speed is equals to 144 into 5 by 18 meter per second equals to 40 meter per second. Now time taking equals to 100 upon 40 second equals to 2.5 second. Now we go for another one, which is mainly another important question, and that we have as follows. So the question we have: a train 280 meter long running with a speed of 63 km per hour will pass a tree in. Options were 15 second, 16 second, 18 second and 20 second. That has been asked in SSC examination paper. Let's go for the same. A train 280 meter long running with a speed of 63 km per hour will pass a tree is. This has been asked in SSC examination paper. So for the same, options are 2.5 second, 4.25 second, 5 second and 12.5 second. So here we go for it. So speed is equals to 63 into 5 by 18 meter per second equals to 35 by 2 meter per second. Time taking equals to 280 into 2 by 35 second is equals to 16 second. Now we go for another one, which is another important question, as the 15th question of the session. So 15th question we have: how long does a train 110 meter long running at a speed of 72 km per hour take to cross a bridge 132 meter in length? This has been asked in RRB examination paper. The options were 9.8 second, 12.1 second, 12.42 second and 14.3 seconds. So let's go for the same. How long does a train 110 meters long running at a speed of 72 kilometers per hour take to cross a bridge? (132 meter in length? This has been asked in our RRB examination paper. Options were 9.8 second, 12.1 second, 12.42 second and 14.3 second.